Welcome to another exciting video where you're going to learn a new Revit technique that's going to enhance your skills, which is going to reflect in your pockets being bigger and making more money as you become more efficient and become an expert in the science of modeling in Revit. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to generate a corbel around your edges of your roofs. This is a great technique and is typically used in architectural buildings because architectural buildings tend to have a lot of corbels, fancy ones, and so forth. Today's technique I will be teaching you will apply to sketching the actual corbel in the actual drawing itself. There's another way of going about it by generating a profile family and then dropping it in your sweep. That will be another video that I will be generating soon, and to teach you the second technique. Well, with this technique, the first thing we're going to do is, what I did was I generated a section cut, because in this section cut is where we're going to actually draw the profile. So I'm going to go back to my level 1. The next thing I want to do is go to my structural tab. I want to go to components. I want to go to model in place. Since this is going to be a roof element, we're going to choose the roof for our family category. We'll call it Corbal. Corbal, I believe it's like that. Call it Corbal, and then the first thing Revit's gonna ask you is we're gonna ask. Right now, it's asking which type of forms you want to model. So since we're going to be wrapping around our roof like this, we want to do what is called a sweep. So we'll click on the sweep, and then the next thing we're going to do is select pick the path that we want to use. So we're going to select that, and that one, just like that. But before we do that, let me just unclick these. And okay, so now, yeah, so click on the edges. I clicked on that one, and then we want to make sure that we can close these. You have to have them closed like that. Perfect. So once that's done, we click the finish for the sketching. And they're saying there's a error here. We're gonna quit the path and redo it again. So we'll do the path again. We're gonna sketch the path. Or just we'll sketch it ourselves. Be easier. Let's just sketch it like that. And we'll just go around our building. And then we'll click finish. Then the next thing is we want to sketch our corbel. So in here you have an option of selecting a profile, which will be another video. But what we're going to do is we're going to sketch it. So when you want to sketch it, you got to click the edit profile, and then you're going to get this pop-up window saying these are the only views from which you can actually draw in your profile. And that was the reason why I generated this section cut over here, so that this, this particular section cut will appear here, because I want to sketch it in that view. So I'm going to activate this view, open that view, and I'm going to start sketching my my corbel. So I'm going to just, I'm going to extend to here. I'll probably make it like that, I can probably do a circle if I wanted to, or I can do one of these, like whatchamacallit, just trying to get fancy here, and then connect it to there, and then connect it back there. So make sure there's no everything's connected. There's nothing left untouched. So everything's connected. I'm going to click finish, and then I'm going to click finish again, and there we go. We have our corbel. And if you go to your 3D view, you can see it there. There it is. There's our Corbal, and it wraps all around our roof. And then we go back to our section cut. You can see it there on both sides. I hadn't, there we go. And then let's go back to our 3D, and there you can see it better. Which is nice. So this is a really good technique when you want to model something and you want it to wrap around a certain area, like we just did for our roof overhang. So I hope this video was of great help, and if it was, please subscribe to my channel and hit me up with a like so I can continue providing you with more videos that will make you a better Revit drafter. And having said that, I'll see you guys until the next one. Bye bye.